Today I will cook red curry, pork, Thai sweet basil, and mushroom served with rice. The name is หมูผัดพริกแกง สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe Today I will film in my garden in front of the house. If you like my t-shirt, go check in description. Nice one. Today I will not make Thai curry paste by myself, but if you want to know how to make it, go check in my Penang curry recipe. Are you ready? Let's go. You know me now. Let's start with vegetables. Well, pretty easy, right? Now let's go to cook it. I don't know now it's hot by gas or it's hot by sun actually. Just to let you know, normally this recipe you don't use mushroom, you use yard long bean, but since I don't like it, I replace it with mushroom. I will also cook fried egg.
Okay, so let's try to see if that's good. or not, because obviously she will say it's good, but I will be fair and honest. So a bit of egg, a bit of rice. Damn, I want to put everything in the spoon, but it's not possible. There. The pork is good, well cooked. The mushroom brings like a bit of crunchiness, and the best part, yeah, is the Thai sweet basil. It gives really an amazing taste.
How many points for my cooking?
I will give you, alright, for this one, 8.5 out of 10.
What?
It's good, no? Cannot be 10, you will never have 10. I mean, yeah, I could eat that for hours.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I think it's time to end the video.
Okay.
Alright, thank you for everyone to watching my video. As always, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and also share. The most important thing, chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ครับ
Bye